Welcome back, YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 and also gold. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 10 tick on S&P 500. We do have a move to the upside here. I am estimating right around these 63 to 64s for some resistance to come in here. That's our measured move there. From here, we are looking to see if we get that opportunity of a move back down into support coming right around these 43.75s. If not, we're probably going to continue to move up, but in order to do that, I will need to see this price come up above this level and create that as a support for the market to continue up. If not, then we are going to look for that move back down into those 40 to 43s, see if we can get that support coming in here, and then try another move right back up into this area of right around these. That's right around 50, 55. So we'll look for that on S&P 500. Let's take a look at a 5 tick. Some nice movement that we had there on that 5 tick. Had a good upside move that we were measuring here on the very top. You could see right when we got that breakout was a good extension right up. So coming right into these 63s, took it off at about 61.25 was my first target. But 63 to 64 should be our full extension there to the upside. Again, if we are looking for a fade opportunity, it's probably going to come best right in this area for the market to hold that level of resistance for the fade back down. If anything, we may have a movement right back into this area here earlier, which is going to be right around these 48 to 49s. See if we can get a pullback right into there to see if we can hold the support right at the edge of the volume profile. Again, if we are going to look for a move higher, though, we're going to be right above that 64. Look for some support and a continuation of this trend here. So that's going to be our opportunities for S&P 500. Let's take a look at gold. Gold, we are looking to see if we get a move up. We did pull down. We are looking at a pull down support coming right into these 20.9s. We are above a specific structured level. So one of two things might happen. If you don't want to trade right in this middle, you can look for it to come back down into this 20.9s for support to continue to move back up. But if you want to trade right in this middle, I think we're going to have an extension coming right up into these 35.4s. That's going to be our resistance area. Above that, we have a level of resistance right here sitting at about 39.5 to maybe about 40. And right in that area right there, that's our top level of resistance. But first target obviously is going to be right around those 35.4. So that's what we're looking for on the upside. Did like the fact that we moved down from this level here, pulled back here into resistance at the 40s, and then fell from there. Had another try attempt there, but couldn't get back down below, and it does look like we'll be extending right back up. So we'll look for that on gold. Let's take a look at a 5 tick here on gold as well. See what we have. Lots of things supporting this move up. We do got that VWAP sitting right there as resistance for now, but if we break through that, again, we're going to be looking for the market to come right into these edges. So 35.4 is our top target for the expansion move. An earlier take profit's probably going to be somewhere sitting right around here at these 31 to 32s. That's going to be your earliest take profit opportunity if you're going to trade right in here. Have some good opportunity to get one bounce, second bounce, and maybe even another third bounce for a continuation up. So we'll be looking for that. But if we get above this level and we want to continue higher, we'll need that bounce of support. Right above those 34s, we'll need that bounce of support here for a continuation up into the 40s. Now, if we get down below, we'll look for that first target of 20.9. Now, if we get underneath that level, we'll look for some resistance here. Once we get those resistance rotations here, we'll look for a continuation lower from there. But that's going to be our levels for gold. Now, if we get into the London session and we move past those levels, we'll go ahead and revamp some new levels. But other than that, if we do reach those levels when we get into the London session, we'll look to trade them off of that. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you guys did, hit that like button. If you guys have any questions, feel free to type them in here on the YouTube channel. If you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. If you guys are, thank you very much. If you're going to be in the London session, I will see you guys tonight. Take care.